Get a stick right here.
So we're here at Fairfax High School. We're doing a free flu shot clinic today. While our supplies last, we're going to be giving out free flu shots to our community. It's part of a statewide emergency preparedness exercise that we're participating in as a health department. And the purpose of these types of exercises is to test our ability to respond to a public health emergency. So in this case, we're kind of testing our ability to respond in the event of something like a pandemic flu incident, where we would need to get large amounts of vaccine out to the community in a timely manner. And so this is an ability to test that, as well as to give flu shots to our community in time for flu season. So it's really a great opportunity to do both things at the same time.
Put your hand there. Now when I move it, do you feel it?
So obviously the most important thing people can do is to get a flu vaccine every year to protect themselves and their loved ones from the flu. But beyond that, we also encourage people to take everyday precautionary measures like washing their hands throughout the day, covering their coughs and sneezes, staying home if they have symptoms of the flu, seeking medical attention right away if they have flu symptoms that can be treated. So all of those things are also important to help prevent the spread of the flu in the community. Flu is a very serious illness, and it causes hospitalizations and even deaths every year. So it's really important that people take those precautions, and first and foremost getting that flu vaccine, because it will provide the best protection against the flu virus. Other people may be more vulnerable to getting serious complications, and that includes very young children, older adults, and people who have compromised immune systems. So when you get that vaccine, you're not only protecting yourself, you're protecting those around you who may be more vulnerable to serious complications from the flu.